Good evening, everyone, and my name is David Shaw. I'm the administrator here at Norley Hospital District, and we appreciate you tuning in today. And today our topic is specifically about testing, and I want to invite the public to submit any questions that you might have about COVID testing in Lee County, and we'll be happy to try to answer those. A number of entities in Lee County are involved in what's called surveillance testing. And those entities include the Jowell Hospital District, the New Mexico Department of Health, and of course Norley Hospital District. Surveillance testing is COVID testing that is done primarily to identify asymptomatic individuals who are not aware that they are positive for COVID-19. And we have found across the country and as well as here in the county that there is a significant amount of COVID positive individuals who have very mild symptoms or no symptoms at all. In these situations, these individuals may be unwittingly spreading the virus. The purpose of these entities that are involved in the testing is to identify these individuals, get them the proper care, and quarantine them from the public to prevent the further spread of the disease to more vulnerable populations. We encourage businesses and individuals to take advantage of this testing in any one of the three facilities. The more we test, the better handle we're going to have on COVID-19 here in Lee County. I want to thank the New Mexico Department of Health for the testing kits that they have supplied us. It has made it possible for Norley to participate in the surveillance testing here in Lee County. Norley Hospital District has had two drive-up locations, both one in Hobbs and in Lovington, since about mid-March. We have tested 1,450 individuals in Lee County. Our testing centers have caught 15 of the 21 positive cases in Lee County. Beginning next week, though, May 26, Norley will suspend its drive-up testing locations in Hobbs at the Hobbs Medical Clinic and also in Lovington across from the hospital campus. After consultation with the regional and local Department of Health offices, Norley will change its testing strategy. Rather than testing in drive-up locations, Norley will reach out to businesses and other groups to conduct on-site testing and host special testing events going forward. This will free up testing staff to resume their duties here in the hospital and in our school-based clinics and also in our corporate wellness program, which we're trying to reopen and restart. Norley will continue to perform symptomatic testing at our clinics by appointment. The Lee County Public Health Office, under the direction of Sally Goff, provides COVID-19 testing to all individuals throughout the county, and the Lee County Public Health offices have traveled throughout the county to provide this testing. If you're interested in being tested by the Lee County Public Health offices, you can contact them at 575-397-2463 and select option 4. And they will give you information about the testing and also get you scheduled for testing, and that is in Hobbs. The Jowell Clinic also does testing by appointment, and they can be reached at 575-395-3400, and you can make an appointment with them. If you have a group or an organization or run a business that is interested in setting up on-site testing of your employees, please call 575-396-6611. That's our number here at Norley, and enter extension 1607, and you will be directed to somebody that will give further information and help you schedule your group with the Norley testing group. All this information will be posted on social media later tonight for your convenience. I would like to conclude with a couple of reminders for the public. First, Norley clinics and outpatient services have reopened for business. And in order for us to serve the public safely, we need to screen all patients, all visitors, and all of our employees. Wearing a mask in our clinics and in the hospital is mandatory for our patients, visitors, and also for our employees. This is being done to protect the vulnerable populations that are in our hospital that must come out of their home to receive care, such as cancer patients. Please help us do our job in protecting them by wearing your mask. I also want to remind the public that there have been 6 new cases in Lee County, and social distancing, good hand hygiene, and also wearing a mask in public are our best options to mitigate the spread in Lee County. Currently, southeastern New Mexico is now surpassed the northwest part of the state in the rate of the spread. While our numbers remain low, it is still concerning the rate of the spread here in southeastern New Mexico. Third, please visit our website, www.nor.lea.org, for information regarding the reopening of hospital services, ideas on making a mask, and articles and interviews about the effectiveness of wearing a mask. Finally, I want to continue to thank the community and especially our staff for their hard work and their support for Norley Hospital District. Thank you, and at this time I would invite Melba Lujan to come up to give the Spanish translation. Thank you.
Buenas tardes a todos. Soy David Shaw, director ejecutivo del Hospital de Norley. Gracias por sintonizar hoy a nuestra presentación. Hoy quiero hablar de la prueba de COVID-19. Hay un número de instituciones que están involucradas en las pruebas de prevención a través de nuestro condado. Estas instituciones incluyen el Distrito de Yal, Departamento de Salud del Estado de Nuevo México y el Hospital de Norley. Pruebas de prevención son hechas principalmente para identificar a esos individuos asintomáticos que no saben que son positivos del COVID-19. A través del país y nuestro condado se han encontrado numerosos individuos que son positivos con síntomas leves y como algunos casos sin ningún síntoma. En estas situaciones pueden estar contagiando el virus inconscientemente. El propósito de ofrecer estas pruebas a través de estas instituciones es identificar a estas personas para darles cuidado apropiado y aislarlos del público para prevenir mayor contagio a poblaciones vulnerables. Sugerimos a negocios y personas que aprovechen de estas pruebas en estas localidades. Cuantas más pruebas se realicen, tendremos mejor información del avance del COVID-19 en nuestro condado. Quiero agradecer al Departamento de Salud del Estado de Nuevo México por habernos proporcionado los kits de pruebas que lo hizo posible realizar estas pruebas de prevenciones. El Hospital de Norley ha ofrecido pruebas estilo drive-thru en las 2 localidades, en Lovington y Habs, desde mediados de marzo. Se han hecho 1,450 pruebas en el condado de Lee. Por medio de nuestros sitios de prueba se han confirmado 15 de los ahora 21 casos positivos del condado. A partir del martes 26 de mayo, Norley suspenderá los sitios de pruebas estilo drive-thru en ambas localidades. Después de una junta con oficiales locales y regionales del Departamento de Norley de Salud, Norley ha cambiado su estrategia en cómo se harán las pruebas. En lugar de hacer las pruebas en drive-thrus, Norley acudirá a sus negocios y organizaciones si es necesario. Esto liberará nuestro personal para que puedan resumir sus deberes en nuestras clínicas y nuestro programa de salud a corporativos que pronto podrán ofrecer sus servicios nuevamente. Norley continuará haciendo pruebas a personas sintomáticas en las clínicas a través de consultas médicas. Si usted siente tener síntomas o necesita la prueba, por favor contacte a su médico o sala de emergencia antes de su llegada para que nuestro personal pueda tomar las precauciones apropiadas. Los departamentos de salud del condado de Lee, bajo la supervisión de Sally Goff, ofrecerán pruebas de COVID-19 para todas las personas que sea necesario en este condado. Si usted está interesado, puede llamar al 575-397-2463, opción 4, para información de cómo hacer una cita por medio de las oficinas del Centro de Salud Pública. Para la clínica de YAL puede llamar 575-395-3400 para también hacer una cita para su prueba de COVID-19. Si usted o su organización está interesado en conducir un evento de pruebas en sus instalaciones, para sus empleados o miembros de algún grupo puede llamarnos al 575-396-6611 extensión 1607 para más información. Para su conveniencia, toda esta información será etiquetada en nuestros medios sociales. Quiero concluir con algunos recordatorios para el público. Primero, las clínicas de Norley y nuestros servicios externos están abiertos nuevamente para servirles. Para nosotros poder atenderlos se tendrá que realizar una revisión de prevención a todas las personas, incluyendo pacientes, visitantes e empleados, antes de ser permitida la entrada a nuestras instalaciones. Es obligatorio usar cubreboca en todas las clínicas y hospitales. Eso es para proteger a nuestros pacientes vulnerables. Por ejemplo, pacientes que tienen cáncer, que tienen que salir de casa para su tratamiento. Por favor, ayúdenos a proteger a estas personas. En segundo, esta semana se han reportado 6 casos nuevos en este condado. Distanciamiento social, buena higiene de manos y usar cubreboca en público son nuestras mejores opciones para mitigar la propagación en el condado de Lee. Actualmente, el sureste de Nuevo México ha superado la parte noreste del estado en números de contagios. Mientras que nuestros números son bajos, la tasa de velocidad en nuestra área es muy preocupante. Por tercero, visite nuestra página de norlee.org para más información de referencia de reaperturas, fabricación de cubrebocas y entrevistas sobre el efecto del uso de cubrebocas. Finalmente, yo quiero agradecer a la comunidad nuevamente por su apoyo y a nuestro personal por su valentía en el cuidado de nuestros pacientes. Gracias. Ahora respuestas con David Shaw a algunas preguntas.
Thank you, Ms. Lujan. We only had really one question tonight, and it was some clarification around the 6 new cases here in Lee County. For privacy reasons, we do not give out very much information. However, there were 4 cases that were in Hobbs and 2 cases that were here in Lovington. And as I recall, the ages were fairly young, under the age of 30. So again, we want to protect their privacy, but also I think the most important thing that all of us can do is to practice those things that we talk about, wearing a mask in public, especially in areas where it's difficult to socially distance from others. Practice good hygiene, washing your hands, and socially distancing. So please be careful out there. Know that Norley Hospital District and our staff are prepared and ready to take on any challenges that we may face as a result of the COVID-19 situation, and we wish everybody all the best. Thank you.